Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Audi Q7. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a wrench, a new oil filter, and a fresh supply of engine oil, typically around 8 to 9 quarts depending on your model. Don't forget a drain pan and some safety gloves. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's get that old oil out. Start by warming up your engine for about 10 minutes. This helps the oil flow better. Next, safely lift your vehicle and place a drain pan underneath the oil pan. Locate the drain plug, usually a 19mm or 17mm bolt, and carefully remove it. Let all the old, dirty oil completely drain into the pan. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Locate the oil filter housing, often on top of the engine or underneath. Use a filter wrench to remove the old filter and replace it with a new one, ensuring the O-rings are properly seated. Clean the drain plug area, install a new crush washer, and securely reinsert the drain plug. Tighten it to the manufacturer's specified torque, typically around 22 foot-pounds. Finally, let's add the fresh oil. Using a funnel, carefully pour in the recommended amount of new engine oil, which is usually around 8 to 9 quarts for an Audi Q7. Once filled, start the engine and let it run for about 1 minute to circulate the oil. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level using the dipstick or electronic display. Top up if needed, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.